Well, good morning. Good morning. If you're anything like me, we're always looking around for the best possible way to maintain our beard to make it healthy. And we come across beard oils, beard balms, beard butters. We talk about washes and co-washes and conditioners. And man, like, we're always just seeking out that better way to make our beard not look like this. So I have a way that I've done a video on before, but I want to give you an updated video because I got a new machine. I got a thing. So I'm going to show you all about that right after this. I am Tyson with FaithfullyBearded.com, Faithfully Bearded app, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, podcast. Can we just all sum that up and I am Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Thank you for checking out this video. And today we are talking about a hot oil treatment. That's right, a hot oil treatment. Now you might be asking yourself, isn't that what women do to their hair? Don't women do hot oil treatments in their hair? Yeah, some of them do. That's right, some of them do. So today we're going to do that with our beard. And in order to do that, you're going to need a couple different things. So for this demonstration purpose, I have a washed and just air dried beard. It's clean. It's scraggly. I woke up, scratched a little, and then just did my thing. This is what my beard just likes to do, is it all over the place. So every month or so, I like to go in and do a hot oil treatment, maybe every couple of weeks, kind of just when I feel like it. We'll do a hot oil treatment. Now I mix a few oils together, and I'm going to show you what I mix here today. Now for these, I just went on to Amazon. You can get better oils. I just picked up some stuff off of Amazon for cheap, mainly because you use quite a bit. Mainly because I was just experimenting and I wanted it quick. But I would recommend maybe going to a better supplier if you're going to do this on the regular. But I got a black castor oil. I am using marula seed oil. Here we go. Marula seed oil. I'm going to use organic hemp seed oil. Organic hemp seed oil. And then I'm going to use baobab oil. And what I do is I mix these together. I just do 4 equal parts. I just kind of squirt into a bottle or a glass container of some sort. And then what you do is, if you're lazy like me, I just take the glass container with no lid on it and I just heat it up for a little bit until the oil's warm. You do want it to be warm. Almost hot. Basically as warm as you can get it to touch to your skin. But keep in mind your face is extremely sensitive. Keep in mind when you pull it out of the microwave, if you just grab it with your hand, it's going to burn. So use a pot holder. Or the other method, which takes longer, is you take a pot of boiling water, you put your bottle of oil in it so it can naturally just warm it up by being in hot water. That is another option. I choose to go the lazy man's route because I'm a lazy man, all right? So what you do then when you get all of that warmed up is you would basically spread it on your face. You could take a warm towel, put it over your face, and just sit and relax while it does its thing. You can put a plastic bag over your face. Don't cover up your nose. We're not suffocating each other here. Just put it over your beard. You could stick a blow dryer up in there if you want. But I found this little device on Amazon. I wanted to try it out. It's made by Andis, and it's a little device that looks like this here. And when you open it up, take the lid up, you just got a hose in there and a couple switches. On the other end of the hose is this right here, all right? So what I do, put the oil in my beard. I put these little loops on here, just some hair ties. So then I can go like this, hair tied around my ear, and let it do its thing. Now, I could probably modify this a little bit and maybe cut the back out so it kind of goes around my neck and then comes behind my back. But I just feel like if I mess up, it's probably ruined. So I'm not really wanting to do that at this point yet. So you got yourself a clean beard. You got yourself some warm oil. You're just going to put it on, put this thing on. I'll link this on Amazon down below if you guys want to pick some up yourself. So we're going to put some of that. Now, when it comes to putting beard oil in, well, let me grab a towel because I'm going to have to wipe my hands. So let me grab some hand wipe here. This is why it's nice just to have stuff right next to you. I have paper towels right here. So you're going to get a big palmful of oil. You know, mix it around. You're just going to start putting it up in your beard. It smells pretty nutty. Get it down to that skin there. Make sure it's all coated well. It's going to be a gloopy mess. I mean, that's what you want. You want everything down to the skin, saturated as much as you can saturate it. I even, get it down to the skin, kind of pull my beard forward and around. Get this spot, get this little hair here. Get it up in the beard, mustache. All up in there. Make sure it's all good and saturated. You can't really use too much oil here. If it starts dripping, it starts dripping. Nothing wrong with that. We're good with that. We're good with too much beard oil in this instance. And then we're going to take this little guy right here, or your hot towel, or your plastic bag. Whatever you're using to cover your beard, you're going to take that and get your beard up in there. We're going to put this on. I'm going to go around my ears. If you want to know how I modified this, just reach out to me. If you buy it, I'll show you how to modify it. So now I have this up on my face. My beard's covered down here at the bottom. And I just got a switch so I can just turn this thing on. So it's loud. So I'm just going to let this sit for 10, 20 minutes. And then I'll come back to you guys when I'm done.
5 minutes later. 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 5 minutes later.
All right, so been sitting here for like 20 minutes with this thing on. Nice and toasty warm. I really should have laid back and taken a nap, because that's what it is. Oh yeah. So we pull that off. Your beard is going to feel oily, drippy, pretty weird. Your beard is weird. You're gonna have oil all over the place. But now what I do is I just go rinse it out with some warm water and style my beard as normal. I don't necessarily put any oil in after that. You got enough oil in here now. You rinse it out with warm water. You're just getting some of that excess off. That's not soaking in, clinging on. Style your beard as normal. And I swear on my experience that if you do this once a week, once every 2 weeks, you will notice a difference in your beard routine. Now, keep that in mind. I'm not really using a conditioner right now while I'm experimenting with this. So this is my deep conditioning experiment. And I mean, who doesn't like deep conditioning? I think we all want our beards to be soft. Our spouses want our beards to be soft. So why not spend 20 minutes making your beard a little bit better? And this thing's like $40. Not that big of a deal. I mean, it's not huge if it makes your beard routine that much better. So that's the hot oil treatment. Let me know in the comments below if you've done one, if you do them, and if you're willing to try this out. Stay tuned for more of the beardies coming up on the Faithfully Bearded channel. And until I talk to you guys again soon, be bearded, be you, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video from Faithfully Bearded. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up, click the bell, and turn on all notifications so you're notified of all new content. You can also become a member of the channel and get perks for the tiers that you join. You can share this out with your friends and help the channel grow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and at faithfullybearded.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.